Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how you can get your external IP address using PowerShell. We are going to use ICANN has IP website to get our IP address. So on our PowerShell, we are going to use wget utility and the website ICANN has ip.com, and we are going to fetch its content which returns the IP address, and just hit enter. So we get our external IP address. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.